Hello, and welcome to the SAC channel. This is Keith Willing, President and Founder of Southern Air Concepts. Today, I'm excited to be at a historic facility formerly known as the Sears and Roebuck building. Built in 1926, this has now been repurposed into a famous spot in Atlanta called Ponce City Market. It includes dining, offices, residences, and shopping. This is one of the top 10 places when you visit Atlanta to stop and see. And if you look over my shoulder, you will see Bromic Heaters. Bromic Heaters is a product that we represent. Bromic will provide an extended outdoor dining season for these restaurant owners. As you can see, there's several behind me that are using our product. Perhaps you have a restaurant that you need assistance with. You have to learn to extend your outdoor dining season, and we can help you accomplish that with Bromic. Because in today's times, your indoor dining limitations on number of people inside your restaurant is being diminished. So the more turns that you can get in your outdoor dining tables, the better. And the longer you can extend the season, then the return on your investment will be better. So we have a web form at the end of this video. If you click that link, we can help you select what's proper for your business and reach out to us. We can help with the engineering, the design, the layout, and show you the most efficient way to give your clients comfort.